Hey, welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you're here because you guys have been asking for more stump grinding videos, and I happen to have a stump to grind. In prepping for this carport, I cut down 7, count them, 7 trees around the perimeter of this concrete pad. One of them is right here in the middle. So after cutting the stump down with a chainsaw as close to the ground as I can get, I am ready to hit it with the stump grinder. One of the challenges in using that stump grinder is that you have to grind on the side of the stump opposite of where it's throwing the chips. If you try and grind on the side where it throws the chips, then it will want to draw the stump grinder over and start jerking around and making a big old mess. So you have to start on the opposite side. By doing that, you're throwing the chips on top of the stump that you've not ground yet, and you lose sight of it. So, you know, seeing what you're doing is probably the biggest challenge with that. You just take small bites though, and I take maybe an inch at a time, and it just disappears. It works great. You just work your way across, and it just literally shredded this stump up. Now you can go about 6 inches deep, but I really only went a little bit below the surface because that's all I need. I just want the ground to be kind of flat here so that when we drive in, I'm not hitting the stump. Another challenge I had was that this tree stump, this tree was growing right on the edge of the concrete pad. So I was trying not to hit the concrete with the stump grinder. I did hit it a couple times, very lightly as I was starting, so it worked out okay. But anyway, the stump is gone. I'll just rake this stuff out. I'll rake it out with my hoe, and that's great. You know, something that would take a decade or more to deteriorate, now it's just gone. So, good deal. Very happy with that. If you want to see my assembly and full review of the Woodland Mills WG24 Stump Grinder, you can click right here. And of course, click here to subscribe to follow along. Thanks for watching today, and as always, I look forward to seeing you next time.